Alright, hello everyone. So we are going to the Burger King today because we went to the Burger King last week and we got these little go gift yourself things on the bottom of our cups, or on the side of our cups, not the bottom. And so we got one for a free sundae and one for a free chicken fries? Mm-hmm. Okay. So we're gonna go and use those, and we're also, so last week whenever we went to Burger King, I got the Impossible Burger, and it's green. Oh, well, there's people coming, never mind.
Yeah, I don't want to die.
And so it was really good, and I liked it, and I thought that it tasted just like the regular Whopper. But today, we're gonna get the Impossible Burger, and we're gonna get a regular, Whopper, and see how they taste and compare them, and I think we're going to be surprised. I think they're going to taste very similar.
One of the things we can do is we can do a blind taste test where I'll close my eyes and I will take a bite of each burger. I won't know which one it's going to be.
Yeah, because you're more picky than I am.
Right. I don't think they're going to taste the same at all. I think that there's going to be a big difference between just a regular burger and an Impossible Burger, which is plant-based.
I think the main thing that's going to be different that I noticed, and you kind of noticed too, was that the Impossible Burger, I think what made it taste like a regular burger is the fact that they burnt it, basically, and it was very charcoaly. And I think that's what makes it taste like a regular burger. I think if they wouldn't have done that, it would have tasted plant-based. So we're gonna try that. So I guess if they do the regular Whopper like that, then you'll be able to, for sure, not be able to tell. But if they don't do the Whopper burnt like that, then you won't be able to tell. So that's gonna be interesting. But for those of you who saw where Tyler cut my hair in that video, and we'll link that video down in the description below, but I think it turned out pretty good. There's a couple of spots that are messed up, but
for $100.
I think that's fair considering how long it takes us to do it versus other people. You're paying for time.
Yes.
But anyways, we'll keep you guys updated. We're about to be there and go into the store, and I'm hoping we'll get a crown because I really want a Burger King crown because I haven't gotten one since I was a child, and I think that would make the video more fun anyways. So we'll see you guys in a minute. Here you go, son. Sir. Okay, so we just left the Burger King, and so apparently you have to go into the website and register your free prizes, which we didn't know, which it does say it, but it's so small, nobody's gonna read that. So we ended up having to sit there and do that as we waited for our food, and then after that, we could finally go back to the register and get our free food. And so we did that. The poor people didn't have a clue how to register it on the register and give it to us. And I felt so bad for them because they were it took 3 people talking about it and trying to figure out how to do it, and they just had no idea because I guess they weren't trained on how to do it, which is crazy because you would think that if they're doing a promotion like this, they would teach their employees how to do it. And so I just couldn't believe that. That was crazy. I felt so bad.
And it's weird too because you'd think that we're not the first people to do it.
Yeah.
Because we got those prizes over a week ago. Mm-hmm. So you'd assume that someone else would have redeemed some in the meantime and they had an idea. But maybe not.
I guess not. Or maybe just the people who were there. But it was the assistant manager who ended up coming and working on it with me, and she was like, I have no idea how to do this, and she was like, I'm just gonna have to figure it out later, but here's your food. But yeah, that was crazy. I felt so bad for them, and I just can't believe the Burger King people didn't tell them how to do it, especially the assistant manager of all people should definitely know how to do it. So yeah, that was just crazy, but we've got it. We've got all of our stuff, and we got some of those cheesy tots to try as well. And we'll go home and see how to do it. Tyler accidentally ordered cheese on his Whopper, so we're just gonna end up cutting off pieces of the 2 patties and tasting it that way instead of taking a whole bite of each burger.
Yeah, My bad. But, I mean, if you don't
It's
get
okay.
cheese on your burger, you're just weird. She doesn't get cheese.
I hate cheese. I hate onions on my burger too. In the past 2 times, whenever we went there last week and this week, I forgot to ask for no onions.
Ah, that's a
Both
struggle.
times, and I don't know why. I guess because I've just gotten so used to like you ordering my food, and
Probably.
and we haven't gotten burgers in a while that have onions on them, so
that
like
is true,
I've
yeah.
forgotten. Because we haven't gone to Five Guys in a while, and most of the places that we go to eat burgers,
It's
they
usually
don't.
like make your own burger, so you have
Exactly.
to specify what to put on it.
Exactly.
Otherwise, they won't put it on.
So yeah, I just totally have forgotten about that, which I hate. I hate onions and I hate cheese on my burgers. They're just not good. But yeah, so we'll be home in a minute and we'll try them out. Look at the Whopper and make sure that we can eat them. I did not do a good job of getting this stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna give you like literally a little bite-sized piece.
Sounds good.
Oh.
The anticipation is killing me.
I believe it. Had to show the camera.
So point out which one is which, too.
Yeah.
Like,
And like
this
that's
one
kind of what I'm
is-
showing, but like it's hard because I can't really say it. Okay. All right. Hold on. But yeah, these in the way. Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So this one feels more squishy than this one.
Mm-hmm.
So if I had to guess, this would be the meat and this would be the Impossible Burger.
Okay.
Actually, no, take that back. I would say this one is the Impossible Burger and this one is the meat, because this one smells like meat and this one smells like nothing.
Okay.
That one didn't have much taste to it. It was kind of like hard and just kind of like not chewy. It kind of crumbled the pieces in my mouth. That one tasted like meat. So if I had to guess, I would say this one is the Whopper and this one is the Impossible Burger.
Oh my god. It was the opposite.
Wow, it was the opposite. Okay.
It was the opposite.
So this was the second time that we've done it.
We accidentally forgot to do...
She forgot to click record
Yeah.
on the first one. And the first one,
You nailed it.
I thought this one was the Impossible Burger and this one was the Whopper.
And I put it in the same exact spot this time.
You put it in the same exact spot.
Because
So
that one had like 2 pieces, right? On the one on the circle, you kind of had like 2 pieces.
yeah,
Yeah, that was the Impossible Burger because I was struggling to like cut it up.
interesting. And, you know, it could be that I had some fries in the meantime and like maybe it messed up my taste buds. But anyway,
Yeah, because you nailed it the first time. Like everything you said the first time we did it was like you were spot on. Like you got it from the moment you touched it. You knew which one was which.
right. All
But that time you got it mixed separate.
I got it once and I missed it once, which says something. So the Impossible Burger maybe isn't as bad as we thought it was.
Yeah.
Because originally I was like, you know, the Impossible Burger, it doesn't taste like meat, but you know,
It, like, does the
it'll
job.
do the job. But
Yeah.
this time I totally messed it up, and I
That's
thought that the Impossible
crazy.
Burger was the actual meat. So let's go for a 3.
Okay.
All right, this. So,
All right.
all
Third
right.
time's a charm.
Third time's a
Our
charm.
burgers are gonna be so cold. Oh well. All right. Ooh, I feel like I need somebody else to do it this time, so that way, like, I don't put them in the same spots.
You got either keep it the same or switch it. See, I don't know. If it was me doing it, I would have switched them just now, so that way, like, we'd get like a fully accurate read it. But I really don't know which one is going to be which.
Yeah. I'm running out of, like, burger pieces that are not filled with cheese. Okay.
Sounds like you're eating.
I took a bite. Okay. I'm about to put it down. I had to show them which one was which. I'm not pressing the stop button this time.
Thank goodness.
So that way we don't lose anything. Okay. And hold on a second. Okay.
Okay. So. Alright, consistency. This one feels harder than this one. This one has kind of a burnt smell to it. This one has more of a meat smell to it. Alright, let's go.
Okay. Plot twist. They're both meat patties.
This one had a little bit of a burnt taste to it, which based on my past experience usually signals that it's an Impossible Burger. But I think maybe that was just a burnt piece of a regular burger, because that one did have a softer feel to it, and it also had like a little bit of like that meat flavor that you sometimes get. So that one didn't have much of a taste. It was harder, kind of crumbled to pieces, didn't really have a whole lot of flavor, besides like that burnt kind of flavor a little bit. So if I had to guess, I would say that the one on the right was the Impossible Burger and the one on the left was the Whopper.
Nope.
No?
Switched.
Switched, huh?
Switched. What I was snacking on was the Impossible Burger, because I took too big of a piece and too small of a piece of this one. So like I took a bite of it and I thought it tasted just like a burger for a minute. That's why I was like, plot twist, they're both meat.
Right.
But like you can tell, like that one is kind of more of like a brown and this one has more of a pink in it.
Right.
So you can tell. But yeah, they was switched again.
So this circle wasn't...
It wasn't the Impossible Burger this time.
Interesting.
It was the regular burger.
So, I mean, I guess that goes to show you, doing a blind taste test, you can't tell the difference.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Which is surprising.
I really thought you were, because you nailed it so well the first time.
Yeah, the
like,
first time
I really thought you were going to get it every time.
But...
Which, given they are kind of getting colder now, too.
That was one of the problems I was noticing, too, was they weren't good. Because
yeah,
they were so cold.
They're getting cold. But yeah, do you want to explain the fries things real quick?
Yeah, so with the fries, we did this before, but of course it wasn't recording.
I thought it was recording.
So you get this special holiday box, and you get a surprise present. And let me unwrap this surprise present now to see what we get. All right, so I got chicken fries this time.
Ooh, chicken fries.
So I like chicken fries. They're a little bit like of a spicy breading and chicken. I say chicken, and by that I mean chicken. Yeah, I'm going with chicken. Chicken
totally
Burger
chicken.
King. Totally chicken. But did you like the chicken fries whenever you tried them?
I haven't been a big fan of chicken fries. And given I've only tried them once whenever they first came out, like a couple of years ago. And then I tried them whenever you got them last week. And I thought they were better than the first time I ever tried them, but I'm still not a huge fan of them. They're too like bready and
Too bready?
Too bready, I guess.
Okay.
I couldn't think of the other word I was going to think.
So the other thing we got at Carl's Jr., Burger King.
We don't have Carl's Jr. here.
I know, you guys have Hardee's, but so we did go to Burger King. The other thing we got were these cheesy tots, which looked good. It was $1 for 4 of them. I guess like it doesn't really look like a tater tot.
It's like a tater tot on the inside, but it's also cheesy on the inside.
That's what the sign looked like. It looked like a deep fried tater tot with cheese on the inside. So we'll see how this is.
It looked really good on the sign.
So actually, more than anything, that's what it looks like on the inside.
Oh, that's not cheesy enough. Like,
What?
not nearly as cheesy as it showed.
It tastes just like a ball of fried mac and cheese.
Does it?
Is exactly what it tastes like. Like, it's got that kind of like, I want to say like the Velveeta
Okay.
kind of like cheese taste to it. And then like, you really can't taste the potato at all. It just tastes like a fried ball of mac and cheese, really. So,
Well,
they're good.
I mean, for $1.
For $1.
Give it
I
$1
probably
for
wouldn't get
them.
them again because I'm not a huge fan of mac and cheese.
Yeah.
But not bad.
Not bad.
So
Yeah, and then we also have a sundae that we'll eat in a little bit, and then that bag has the chicken fries. And so there you have it. 2 out of 3 people, 2 out of 3 times.
2 out of 3 Tylers.
2 out of 3 Tylers say that you cannot tell the difference.